Hi, my name is Arpit Mantri, and today I'm going to present my task 5.1c. In this, I've created two apps. One is iStream app, the other one is Sports News Feed app. Let me show my news feed app first. Yeah, so in the sports news feed app, I have created single activity architecture with fragments for all the navigation. On the home screen, I've implemented horizontal recycler view for the featured matches and vertical recycler view for the latest sports news. I have used adapters and model classes to manage and display the dummy sports data. And whenever the user selects a match or a news item, the app will open a detailed fragment that will show the larger image, title, description, and related stories recycler view at the bottom. And I have implemented search and filter feature, and this will help that the user to filter news by sports category. And I've also added bookmark feature so they can save the stories locally and view them in separate bookmarks fragment. Coming to the iStream app, so in this app, I've implemented user authentication with login and sign up screen. The user details are stored and validated using room database in the local, and with I have used it stores separate entries for the users and playlist items. So along with the DAO methods for inserting and retrieving data, and after the login the user can search for a URL, and yeah, the video, if the URL is valid, the video will play in the embedded video player, and yeah, they can save it into my playlist. And every link in the my playlist is also clickable. When they click on the link, it will play in the it will come back to the video player screen and play, and then they can log out. And uh, yeah, and I've also implemented input validation and invalid URL handling, and the playlist is stored separately for each user. And yeah, so the first app mainly uses recycler view fragments, filtering and local bookmarking, while the second app is using authentication, room database, media playback, playlist management, and session handling. Let me demonstrate my apps and show it to you. So as in the task sheet it was mentioned, we can either use personal device or emulator. I've used personal device. So yeah, this is my uh, sports news app. So yeah, in this you can see that we can scroll vertically and we can scroll horizontally. So yeah, each vertical team A versus team B match at featured match details bookmark. If I go back, if I look at the news here, football finals tonight, big match between top teams, I can bookmark football. Then if I click on cricket, I can bookmark cricket. I will click on basketball, bookmark basketball. Click on tennis, bookmark tennis. Then if I go and view bookmarks, I can view all my bookmarks. Here in the search, yeah, in the search, if I search for football, it will show only football. If I search cricket, it will show cricket. If I search tennis, it will show tennis. If I search see, for football and basketball, both have B, so yeah, both are coming. But if I write only basketball, it will show only basketball. So this is one app, and the other app, yeah, let me log out. Yeah, so yeah, if I this is the iStream app. Here if I'm logging in with no usernames, it will say please enter username and ID. If I write invalid username and invalid password, it will show an error saying invalid username or password. Yeah, and yeah, let me create two users uh, in front of you, so that we can prove that each user has separate playlist. So if I create user one as first user u1, if you are entering different passwords, it will throw an error saying passwords do not match. We have to make sure the passwords match. So yeah, account has been created successfully. You can see the toast message. I'm creating another user to u2. Account created successfully. So if I log in u1, yeah, so here if I enter first if I see the playlist, it is empty. If I add, it will say enter a URL. If I type invalid URL, it will say invalid URL. So yeah, I'm selecting a URL here, and if I click on play, yeah, it
Welcome to
plays.
this crash course in which I will really go over all those language features.
Yeah, so it plays the video, and I'm adding this to the playlist, and yeah, then I'm entering another video, adding it to the playlist, and then if I go to my playlist, I have two videos. So if I click on the second video, watch on YouTube.
In this video, I'll teach you the core of the Kotlin programming language.
Click on the first video.
Welcome to this Kotlin crash course in which
If I'm logging out, and so it shows logged out, I'm logging in u2, user 2. So here again, if I click on my playlist, it is showing empty playlist. So if I enter a URL and if I play it, watch on YouTube, it plays it, and I'm adding it to the playlist, and then I'm adding another YouTube link to the playlist, and I go to my playlist. If I'm playing the second song, so it plays both of them. Both the links are clickable, and it plays on the so again, if I'm logging out and I log in u1 again, login, if I click on my playlist and I play this, it will again show
this Kotlin crash course in which I will.
So each user is having their own playlists.
In this video, I'll teach you.
Yeah, that's it for the demonstration. Thank you.